Back from my little test drive. Think this one's a winner. Alright, here we go. First started, I never in my life had a new car. You know, the background, I had no idea that this is going to turn out into what it is now. But yeah, y'all cousins. How you doing?
Hey. Can you leave?
Huh?
Can you leave?
Yeah, I'm not at work. I was getting my car fixed.
That don't work.
So that's bad.
And these nachos over here are a Fifth Third.
Lifted from where?
From under there, the oil change people.
They lifted from where? Back from my little test drive. Think this one's a winner. Yeah. You be all right. Everybody on YouTube somewhere someday. Got a little small recall I gotta get done, so I bought it right here to the dealership so I could take it right in, get that knocked off, and pretty soon one of y'all cousins will have it. Peace.